International Black Sea University. So welcome to Higher Education Center Petrola Overseas. So are you dreaming of becoming a doctor but worried about difficult entrance exams and expensive fees? So what if I told you that you can pursue MBBS in Europe with no entrance exam, low tuition fees and a globally accepted degree? Stay with me till the end because International Black Sea University IBSU in Georgia might be the perfect choice for you. Why choose International Black Sea University for MBBS degree? Well, IBSU is top-ranked medical university in Georgia, offering a very high-quality medical education at an affordable cost. And here is why it's an ideal destination for MBBS aspirants. First is no entrance exam required to get admission without any cutoffs and IELTS. Next is budget-friendly tuition fees. So study MBBS for just $4,500 per year, which approximately translates to 3.6 lakh rupees. Next is international accreditations. Recognized by WHO, NMC, ECFMG and FAMU. Eligible for USMLE PLAB next. So become a doctor in India, UK, USA and more. Next is 100% English medium courses or curriculum. No need to learn any extra exam, which means you need not to learn any extra language. Next is advanced medical training. So modern laboratories are there and hospital trainings are provided. Next is safe and vibrant campus life. So study in Tbilisi, one of the most student-friendly cities in Georgia. Now let's talk about the MBBS program details in this university. The MBBS program at the International Black Sea University is structured to meet the European medical standards, ensuring a strong foundation for future doctors. So program duration is of 6 years, 5 years of study and 1 year of clinical internship. Next is internationally accepted degree, so eligible for medical licensing exams worldwide, not completely in English, so no language barrier for international students. Next is tuition fees and cost of living. The affordability of IBSU makes it a great choice for medical aspirants. Tuition fees for MBBS degree is approximately $4,500 per year, which translates approximately to 3.6 lakh rupees per year. That's quite an affordable. Talking about the living expenses in Tbilisi, it is approximately 25,000 rupees per month. In particular, you can complete your entire MBBS degree in just 30 lakh rupees, which include all your expenses, your living, to your tuition fees, everything, which is quite an affordable compared to the private medical colleges in India. So if you want to study in International Black Sea University, contact us today itself because seats are limited and they are filling fast. And I will see you in the next video.